Okay. I'm waiting for some more participants so that we can start. One participant has been connected with us, and I hope some of the participants will be soon with us. And first of all, I would like to thanks to join the last session. And in the last session, we cover how to download LaTeX, how to install, what packages are required, how you can manage the packages. And then after installation, the basic introduction of the LaTeX has been covered. Okay, good afternoon, Johan Charesh Amadou. So once again, welcome in this session, and I hope all of you are doing well. And in the last session, as you know, we covered a basic concept like download, installation of the LaTeX, how to manage the packages of the LaTeX. Then after installation, how we can start to create content in the LaTeX. If someone who is joining the session on the first time and previous lecture you did not attend, then you can easily go to the recorded lecture which is available on the YouTube channel. And also before starting today's session, I would like to explain some new things. You can see my screen. This is my desktop, and when you will see this is you can easily find out that is place Method Thinking Foundation on the YouTube channel, and this is the official YouTube page. Okay, and at this page you can find all the lectures. The previous lecture is available here, you can see. Okay, this is the previous lecture. Okay, and along with the you can go to search in the URL is mathtechguru.com. See this URL very carefully, note this. Okay, mathtechguru.com. When you will visit on this website, this is also the official website of Method Thinking Foundation. Okay, and you will go to courses, where you will click on the courses, and here you will find LaTeX for scientific documentation. When you will click on it, the content which has been covered, this is specially create certificate course to all the mathematicians, scientists who are willing to learn LaTeX, and this course is absolutely free for lifetime access. Okay, this content has been covered, and also in the last lecture we covered this topic, LaTeX introduction, document structure, text formatting, how to insert tables, how to insert figures. Then today in the session we will discuss about the equations and mathematical notations. These content will be covered in this session, and also this lecture from 6, 7 and other topics will be uploaded soon, and this will be complete package to all the beginners who want to learn LaTeX for scientific documentation. Okay, so just what you will do, you will click when you will come to the this course, just you need to click at this place to continue. Okay, and the some more information like email address and contact number will be used to sign up, and then after you can easily access this course. Okay, so this is all about the information about LaTeX, and all the contents are available, recorded lectures are there, Okay, so as soon as you will sign up this course, all the content, recorded lectures and supporting files are available. So I will recommend to all of you, just sign up this course and start to learn. And one more thing, we break all the problems in small parts so that you can cover easily. Okay, so now first I have to stop this one. Okay. So now this is the page of which we want to discuss here. So in this session, what we are going to discuss, in this session we will cover math mode. Okay, small brief introduction will be given to you about the previous content, and then main focus will be on how to use math mode, mathematical equations. Sometimes we have to use equations in chemistry, in physics, scientific equations. Okay, and there are several expressions are there. So all these we have to manage by using LaTeX. Along with the how to use bib file to manage references, we can use bib file, and this is very quite easy. I will show you some examples, and these two things are very important. Then we have the equation numbers and cross references. Okay, so three things are there. One is math mode, then second is cross references, and third is references and their citations. Okay, so come to this file. As you can see, this is the file which we start to work on it in the last lecture. First, you need to build this file. So when you will build this file, you can see that these are the content. This is the first statement, and we used this document class, which is article. Font size is 12 pt. Page is A4, one column and one side document. And as you know, this already has been discussed in the last lecture. And if you miss last lecture, then you can see the previous lecture. This will be very important, because all the things which are required for the LaTeX in the beginning and to manage the packages, all these things were discussed in the previous lecture. So if you did not attend that particular first lecture, I will recommend you that you must attend the first, and then you can start from this place. Okay, and also if you have any question, you can put your question in the YouTube chat, and I'm sure I will reply your question and I will try to cover your problem. Okay, so now what we are covering in this session, we will start from this place. Here is math mode. I think the contents are very visible to all of you. If not visible, you can ask, because I have increased the font size. I can increase more size. Yes, I think this is more sufficient to visible to all of you. So here in section 11, math mode, this part will be covered, and along with I would like to open my presentation. Just 1 minute, I want to open my presentation. This will also help you. Presentation, okay. Yes. Presentation is okay. So this is the presentation which I want to share with you. Yeah. Okay. So in this presentation, we first like to cover math mode. In this presentation, we would like to cover math mode. Okay. All this content has been covered, and the math mode is workflow. Yes. If I can check the math mode, multiple equations are there. Packages. Okay. For the math mode, these packages are also required, useful packages, which especially used for the mathematical equations, their fonts, etc. So these are, one is AMS math. This will provide the mathematical typesetting, and AMS symbol. This package is used for mathematical symbols, and AMS theorem is used for to provide theorem formatting for AMS publication. So these three packages are required, and also for the hyperreferences and netbib. Okay, netbib is used for the bib file to manage the format. As you can see, Disney et al, etc. So by using a netbib, you can manage, and URL is used, URL and hyperreference. These both will very helpful for the URL citations, or how you can manage the URL in PDF file. Okay. The use of packages are cited at its place, like AMS math, AMS theorem, AMS symbol, by using /use package, and all these also has been discussed earlier in the previous lecture. So here, yes, these are the math mode content. As you can see, this presentation is also will be available in the course which I have show you. Okay, there you can find all this content which are being presented in this session. Also, this presentation also uploaded there, so that this can be very helpful to all of you. Okay. So here we are discussing about the small content. At this place, you can say, let $x is equal to dollar, and $y is equal to 3, then close with the dollar. Then we have $x plus y is equal to $5, but $x slash times y slash neq 5x, we need to understand this one. So the code which you can see at this place, just 1 minute, I would like it to open. Yes. Ignore. And I have to choose this marker. Yeah. Yes. So as you can see, this expression, this is the completely code part in the LaTeX. Okay. So the purpose of to use this part, when you will print or when you will build the file, this will return like in this way, x is equal to 2. Okay. So this is inline mode, inline math mode. Sometimes you have the equations or mathematical expressions, some scientific equations, which you need to enter along with the text. In that case, you will use this expression, and between these two sign of dollar, you will write your expressions. Okay. Similarly, by using this expression, y is equal to 3, we have, this will return this expression, and this expression will return, we have the equation which is x plus 5 is equal to y. You can see at its place. Just you need to understand the syntax which are used in LaTeX and how these will return in PDF format, and both will be discussed in the LaTeX also. the expressions which are shown in the at this place, all these are the syntax in LaTeX, and these are in PDF after building the file. Similarly, this expression will return this value. This expression will return this value. You can see x cross y. Cross means times. When you will use times, this will return cross. And the meaning of this one is not equal. Slash not equal 5. It means x cross y is not equal to 5. So these are very simple basic content which we need to understand. Okay. Now we have on the next slide here you can see some more expressions are there. Okay. Here is we want to build these two equations. Here are the symbols equations, and one is quadratic equation ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Okay, so what is the syntax for this? Let this is the equation, and ax square, this cape sign, see this one, to return x square we are using at this place cape sign. Compare with this one, ax square, ax cape 2. So this will be superscript for x, exponent of x. Okay, and plus bx plus c is equal to 0. So we have this equation when you will build the file. Be a quadratic equation, then it has two roots. One is alpha. This is the command for alpha, which you can see the notation. This is alpha, and for that this is alpha. And to make command statement, just you need to use at this place backslash. Okay, so this will be command in LaTeX. Similarly, you can see here is beta. Okay, so for beta we are using here backslash beta. So these two symbols will be returned at this place, alpha and beta, where the values of the root of this expression will be. See this expression very carefully. Okay, note this expression. We are using at this place dollar two times, and on the right hand side also we have 2 times. So when you will use 2 times, then this will be special expression which will not be the in line mode. Okay, this will be different from the line mode. So as you use at this place $1, this will be in the line mode, and when you will use 2 times dollar on the left hand side as well as on the right hand side, so this will be display mode. So here you can see this expression is in display mode. Okay, so here on the left hand side we have alpha is equal to, this is fraction, numerator and denominator. We are using slash fraction. Okay, so in the for the numerator, this is the numerator from this place to this place. This is the numerator, and this part is denominator. So in this way we will use slash fraction, and for the same you can see beta is equal to, we have this value. So this is the left hand side, and here is numerator. This part will give us numerator minus b minus root b square minus 4ac, and for the square root we will use slash sqrt. Slash sqrt will give us square root and so on. So let's discuss here. Yeah. So here I make it close. See very carefully. When you will open the file in your LaTeX document, and here is, you will right click. When you will go to edit space, right click and click edit space. So your cursor will be on the left hand side where the statement is inserted. Okay, so this is the corresponding section. Here is inline math mode. Okay, so here you will see, yeah, here you will see either you can use this expression. Here different modes are there. Yes, you can see here is you can use backslash bracket e is equal to mc square backslash and bracket. So this will also return the value e is equal to mc square. There are different ways to use. Okay, either you can use this expression for the equation, or you can use this expression for the same. So when you will check this one and build the file, you can write, you can see on the right hand side at this place a is equal to mc square. Okay, and also when you will use this expression, this will also return the same. Check it on the right hand side. Yes. So now here I would like to explain some more things. Here is we have this expression, and suppose I have any c, and this cape is used for exponent 2. Okay, and when you will build the file, see what happened on the right hand side. It is c square. It is c square. Okay, I am taking from this place to and use edit space. I am using double time. Okay, here is c cape 2. This will return us c square. See on the right hand side. When you build the file, it is c square. And if you have subscript, when you will use, this is used for subscript 3 and build the file. Now you can see this is subscript. And also if you have 2 digit, if you have 2 digit, say it is 32, and again build the file, you can see that 3 is in the subscript but 2 not. The problem is that we want to 32 must be in the subscript. So what should I do? I have to use this bracket brushes, and again see the difference when I build the file by pressing F1. And now you can see here, you can see very carefully C32. 32 is in the subscript of C. If you want to make in superscript, then you will use edit place cape. Now when you will build the file, you can see that 32 is in the superscript. Okay, so the thing is, if you are using in this way 32, then only the first letter will be superscript. See again, only the first letter is superscript, but you want both, then you have to use this bracket. If you required superscript as well as subscript, then what you will do? You can use edit place subscript and then enter the value C. You have this type of expression. Okay, whatever you have the value, a numeric value or alphabetic value, you can use any. I am using here is MC. Okay, you can use any letter what you need. C. Okay, sometimes if you need post subscript and superscript, these are post subscript and superscript, and you need pre, then what you will do, you will use this bracket, and at its place you will use, and then braces, and at its place 32, or I can use 10. C. On the right hand side, yes. So here is 10C 32. You can remove this value, and here is 5. Okay, see the expression 10C5. Sometimes if you need subscript, then you will use at space and then rebuild the file. Yes, 10C5. So all the things, superscript and subscript, whatever you want, you can easily manage. Okay. Here is, I am using one more symbol. Here is M, and here is BF, and here is cape, CL, and at this place I have is KL. Okay, and build the file by pressing F1. You can see the expression. So all type of expression, whatever you need to manipulate, you can do very easily. And I copy this content from this place, cut and paste at this place. See what happened. Rebuild the file. So these content are in display mode. These content are now in display mode. But when you will use $, when you will use $, and again rebuild the file, now this symbol, this expression is in line mode. Okay, so either you can use this expression, you can use this expression, and also you can use this expression. Okay, see at this place, yeah, at this place we are using the same way. Here is slash begin math E is equal to MC square slash and math. So this will also return the same value. This will also in the line mode. Yes, you can see A is equal to MC square. So you can use any one of the above expression. Either you can use this way, you can use this way, and you can use this way for the inline mode. And all these expressions are used for mathematical equations or physical science equations, any type of equation. And if you have chemical equations, you can use the same way to write the equations which are exist in chemistry. Okay, so all type of equations you can manage easily. Also, this is the display mode which has been discussed, but once again I would like to discuss here. For the display math mode, there are several expressions. You can use this part for the display, and when you will build the file. In this session, we will discuss only the prompts which we need to discuss here, because all the things, how you can manage packages, how you can install section, subsection, insert the images, insert the tables, index, all these already has been discussed in the previous lecture. So here we will target only the math mode. Okay. So here now you can see, if you have any question, Johan and Guardian, then we have you are the my old participant, and thank you. You always show your interest in my lectures. Uh, if you have a question, please put in the chat box so that your problem I can cover here. Okay. So the thing is, you can use this expression. This will return us the math mode. You can use it anywhere. Yes, if you will copy from this place and you are using at this place. See, this will be, sorry, Z. Now paste. Okay. So when you will rebuild the file by pressing F1, see that what happened on the right hand side. Yes. So here the text from this place to this place and this to this place are separated from this equation. And if you are using this bracket, rebuild the file and check it. Now this is in line mode, and when you will use this bracket, okay, and rebuild the file, this is display mode. So either you can use this expression for the display mode, you can use $sign 2 times for the display mode. We have this one, double time, and on the left side also 2 times, and rebuild. So here the same expression. So it depends upon you which expression you want to use. Also, sometimes you need to enter the value in equation is also there. By using equation, you can enter the value in math mode with equation number also. So when you will use the begin equation and end equation, this will return the value E is equal to MC square in math mode, but with the equation number also. You can see on the right hand side. Yes. So here you can see this is the A is equal to MC square, and along with we have equation number. Equation number is there. Okay. So you can use when we have multiple equations, copy and paste here. We have this is we are using here cube, and here is 5. So it means we have 3 different equations, and when you will build the file, see what happened. Yes. So here we have 3 equations. You can see this is the first equation, this is the second equation, and this is the third equation, and numbers of these equations are managed automatically. We need not worry about this. The LaTeX will manage these numbers itself automatically. Okay. Then after you can scroll down, and here is one more equation. You can use this expression also, and when you will build the file, yes. So here you can see a square root x square plus 1. We are using at this place, but if you are using this expression, this will be display mode. and either you can use for the display mode this expression. Here what we are doing, we are using slash begin display math and end display math. Between these two we have slash sqrt. Slash sqrt will be used for the square root, and in the braces there is x square plus 1. So when you will build this file and c corresponding to this one on the right hand side, yeah, this is root x square plus 1. And you know, when we are using equation, begin equation and end equation, there will be equation number, but sometimes you want that equation number must not be appeared. Then what you will do, you can use equation, but at this place you are using this sign also. So when you will use this sign star, then the equation number will not appear on the right hand side. You can see, you can check it, rebuild the file. Okay, here equation number did not appear on the right hand side, only we have the expression in math mode. Okay, so all these about are the things how you can write math mode equations. Now there are some more examples for the math mode, and I would like to present here. Okay. You can manage please just 1 minute. I would like to check some more content. Okay. Yes. So here we want to discuss about the single line equation and display long equation, how we can split the equations. So we will discuss all these one by one. Sometimes we have to break the line. See at this place here. Sorry. sorry. See at this place, I have this content, and see on the right hand side. I will expand with you. Yes. See here, we have equation number 4. A is equal to pi r square upon 2, and then in the next line also we have 1 by 2 pi r square. So here we have the sum value, and need to break the equation, or to we want to present the value in the next line. Okay, so in that case what you will do, you will start slash begin equation and slash end equation. Either you can use at this place other notations which we discussed above. Okay, then we want to break the lines, and for that we have to use slash begin split and split. So this is the first line. This is the first part of the equation. You can see here a and is equal to slash fraction and slash pi r square upon 2. So this is the fraction symbol which we use for the fraction value, and this is the numerator, and the second part is the denominator, which appeared in the equation number 4 at this place, pi r square upon 2. Then you will use at this place 2 times backslash. This will break the line, and after that you want to present the value exactly below the equal sign. Okay, equal sign must be exactly below. For that, you will use first part will be empty and equal to. This is the second part. Okay, so when you will use this part in this way, you will have the equation which you can see on the right hand side. Yes, if you want to change here some value, suppose that I have a is equal to x square, I have a, we can use here is x plus y and its square. Okay, and in the next line, we want to print here x square plus y square and plus 2xy. Okay, and build the file. So you can see here we have, sorry, now it is okay, x square. We should have x square at its place. Yes, so you can see a is equal to, we have x plus y square, and in the next line we expand this value. Okay, or if you need to have multiple equations and a number of steps for the simplification, again you can break, you can write at its place other expression. I copy this part from this place and paste here. Okay, see, so if you required this type of expression for different type of equations, multiple equations for simplification are used, so you can easily manage these part in this way. You can break the line by using split. Split is used to break the equations. Okay, so you can have some more example. You can use, I am presenting for one more equation. Yes, you can sometimes we have long equation and we need to break, because the long equation will not be appeared in the single line. So that's why how we can break. To break the line, we are using here slash begin, multi-line, and slash and multi-line. Okay, and at this place you can see px is equal to, we have, this is very long expression, but from this place we are breaking, and when you will build this expression, yes, you can see the other part is break in two part. Okay, so in this way you can easily break the part, or if you want to maintain, then what you will do, you can use this expression. If we want to use this expression at this place, slash begin, and then build the file. See, this will work or not. Okay, begin multiple line is not working here. No problem. Control Z. So you can use only this part, and also you can use here some more ways are there. I will explain here also. Okay, so see here. Sometimes we have several lines. In that case, you can use a line. By using the align, you can ultimately or manage multiple equations, multiple lines by using align, slash begin align and slash end align. By using this expression, you can also manage multiple equations. You can see here. And what happen if you will remove this star sign at this place, and from this also. Rebuild the file. So here you can see equation number for this equation is there, and equation number for this is also there. Okay, but if you want that number must not be appeared, then you will use at this place star sign. Rebuild the file, and you will see that now the numbers for this system of equation will not be appeared on the right hand side. Also, you can easily use for the different set of equations. If sometimes we need to use, we need to print in our document, and align is very helpful for the same. You can see here we have begin align and end align the same way, but here we have several system of equations. So this is the first equation, x and equal to y, then end y and equal to z. Okay, this is the first line system of equation. Then we have the second, and then we have the third. And when you will build this file, see on the right hand side. So here you can see x is equal to y, then we have w is equal to z, then we have a is equal to b plus c. So by using this expression, we have the first line which is appeared on the right hand side. Okay, this is the first equation, and for the second equation you can see this is the first equation in the second row. Then we have the second equation, second expression in the second row, and this is for the third expression in the second row. And to maintain the first column, second column, and third column, we are using and at this place. Okay, and by using this one, you can also write the matrix, and this is the matrix of equations. So align is also helpful to write matrix and to use them. Muhammad is asking about I use code codes for mathematical equations, LaTeX. Okay, because LaTeX is very vast and there are many ways to use. So there is no problem. You can use different editors like Text Center is there, WinEdit is there. Okay, and I'm using TechMaker. And also there are some online mode. So there is no issue, and code codes is also very helpful to write the equations. Okay, all these are different ways to write the equations, because since in the beginning just you need to understand how you can control all these expressions. Okay, so now here is some more expression is also you can use gather or grouping for the centering equations. See here is one more example. You can use gather. By using gather, you can easily write the equations or the group of equations. See. Yes. So here is two equations are there. Either you can use aligned, you can use gather. And this is the first equation and is breaked by double braces, and then we have the second equation. Okay, so gather is also very helpful to write the equations. Okay, so this is all about the math mode or the math equations which we were using here. Okay, but now the thing is I want to share with you uh, the paper which I have prepared in LaTeX and how you can manipulate the same. Okay, so I would like to close this file and I would like to now open some new file. So here is, you can see, yes. So this is the, you can see here is, this is a very beautiful paper has been prepared at this place, and this is all about the Elsevier format. Okay, so by showing this one, I would like to present some interesting facts about the LaTeX and along with the bib file. Okay, .bib file is used to manage the references. So these two things we will discuss here. Sometimes when you will download the package of as article from the website, and this will not work because there are several packages. So in that case, your system must be connected with the internet, and you can see here this is the else article, and these are the packages for math font, math style. This is used for the line equations, left line equations. Okay, you can manage from this place. Reference check is also there. So we will use all these, and I will try to expand all these things. Also, all these things which you can see for the reference, theorem, images, all these were discussed in the last lecture. Okay, so we will not go more detail about this, but when you will start LaTeX for else article, and each journal has their own format, and we have to follow their format to prepare the equations, to prepare the document, and according to the format of the journal, like as Springer journal has their own format for the articles, research papers. Elsevier has its own format, and sometimes some journals are not using bib file, but if you are willing to use bib file, then you can use. Okay, but that depends upon the format of the journal, which type of format is being provided for your respective journal to prepare your document by using LaTeX. Okay, so here this is the front matter. You can see our document will be lies between begin document and end document. See here, this is the end document. So the entire content of our this article lies between these two statements. One thing. Now, first come to on the top so that I can briefly explain about the thing. So here is, this is the end front matter, and this is the begin front matter. So between these two statements, one is title, author's detail, abstract, okay, and email addresses. These will lies between for the front matter or for the title page. So the basic information for the authors, co-authors, their respective affiliations, email addresses are managed at this place. So here is the first statement is the title. You will put your title between these two brackets. Then see here, this is the first author. Okay, this is the first author, and my main address Gurmeet Singh. Then here is, this is used for the email address of the first author. Okay, and then we have the second author. Here is second author. Okay, so I make some changes at this place. This is the first author, and copy this part. This is the second author. Okay, this is the second. Yes, and the same code, this same code will be used for their affiliation. This is the first author affiliation. This is the first author affiliation, and this is the second author affiliation. You will use address. Okay, and here is third one. This is the third one. This is the third one. You can cite this one is also by using 3 at its place, and uncomment this one. This is the third one. Okay. Yes. So here you can compare how you can use the affiliations, email addresses. Okay. And here are the addresses of the authors. Then we have the abstract. Begin abstract and end abstract, is I already explained in the previous lecture. To enter the abstract, this is the same way, and then we need to insert the keywords, begin keyword and end keyword. So here is, these are the some keywords which you need to enter at this place, but each keyword will be used. This is the first keyword and is separated by using this statement /save. So all these formats are provided by the Elsevier itself, and we have to follow the same. Just you need to replace the content only. Okay, so this is the second keyword, and this is the third keyword. After that, you will use mathematical symbol. Okay, so you are using at space MSc 2010. Okay, and these are 33E12 and separated by 35A22. So when you will build this file, okay, so this is all about the front matter. And when you will build this file, see on the right hand side, this is 125, and you can see the entire information. Title is there. Then we have Gurmeet Singh, Meher Chand, Fanky. Okay, once again rebuild this file. One more time it is required. Okay, here is some mistake. I have to make it is 2. Once again rebuild the file. Yes, now here is still one mistake. This is author third. Okay, and make it correct. Now rebuild the file. We have to rebuild the file 2 times to make this correction. Yes, now you can see the author Gurmeet Singh A, Meher Chand B, Fanky C, and ABC has the affiliations in the address place. The first one is for first author, B is for the second author, and C is for third author. So the code which you are using at this place for the author name, this is the first author, and at this place you are using this part, and this part must be same. For the second author, this code and this code must be same, and for the third author this code and this code must be same. Only then this will be highlighted or printed on the right hand side perfectly, otherwise there will be some problem. And after that you can see the abstract is there by using the begin abstract, and keywords are also there printed there. So, and at the bottom, see at the bottom, email addresses will be at the bottom according to the format of Elsevier. So here the first email address, and in the bracket you can see the name of the first author, then this is the email address of for the second, and this is the email address of the third one. Okay, so this is the basic information, title, authors, their affiliation, abstract, and this email addresses of the authors. So all these are managed in the this part, begin format, front matter, and the end front matter, between these two statements. Okay, so when you have created the front matter, after that your content will be start like introduction, as you can see all the headings, introduction and preliminary and everything which you can see in this paper. Okay, so and also you can see the equation numbers on the right hand side in this paper. After that, which is a more important thing to show you. So in this paper you can see queries are there, their numberings are maintained automatically. Okay, and very typical symbols are there. So if you are a strong mathematical background, you can use this file. Okay, I will share with you. And some papers contain less equations, and this is the toughest equations containing in this paper. Okay, but this will help you to understand how you can manage your document. The main objective is how you can manage or how you can use the text file of the Elsevier format to prepare your own document. Okay, and at the end, see here, these are the references. This is a very important part which I would like to explain for you, how you can use bib file. Okay, so what need to explain here, yes, so I need to open the file, and you can see in the folder, this is my bib file. You will select it and open it. Yes, you can see now. How all these references are managed. Your reference will contain some books, some articles. Okay, so here you can see in the bib file all the references which are highlighted on the right hand side. So here this is the first article, and what about this one? This is the just code, and this is not the part of reference. Okay, so first you will use title. Title is equal to, you will define at its place title of the article, and don't forget about the bracket at its place, and title will be in the double quote sign. Title will be in the double quote sign, and if you want to make in Rome, then you will use /rm. If you want to make it italic, then you will use italic format. Whatever format you need, according to that you can manage. Okay, entire all the references which you want to use. Okay, and also this bracket starting from this place and this place. So all these part is the for one reference. And in the second, you can see journal is equal to the name of the journal is defined at this place, and at this place we have the comma. Don't forget comma, because all the statement will be separated by using comma, and all these will manage in bib file. Then we have the volume of the journal and a number. In the same way, we have the page number, pages. Then we have year, and if you have DOI number, then you will put at this place, and then you can put the author detail. Okay, so these are the just labels of each reference, and when you will cite these references in your article, these labels only will be used. Okay, so here you can see there are several articles are there, and in the same way, if you have the book, you can see this is book. If in your document book is there, then you will use @book and the code will be used. But in the case of book, what will be there? You can use a title, publisher will be there. But in the case of article, we have journal. You can see we have journal. But in the case of book, we have the publisher. So you will use at this place publisher. Okay, publisher, you will define if there is other informations here, if a volume is there, pages are there, you can put at this place, these are informations. And the author detail you can find. Here are three authors. So first author, then end, second author, then end, third author. If there is more authors, you will use end each time. Okay, so here are some more other references you can see. So for the book you will use this one, and the label which you want to use, it depends upon your choice. Whatever you want, you can use according to your choice these labels. Okay. So now the objective is how you can cite these references. You will save this file in the same folder where you have created your document. The most important thing is the bib file must be in the same folder where you are preparing your text file. So once you will write all the references which are useful for your document, you can prepare this bib file, and this bib file will maintain automatically all the references in your document. See, one more thing which I would like to explain here. This doesn't matter that how many references you prepared in your bib file. Only those references will publish or print which you want to cite. Other will not be the part of your document. If I have these references are about 1000, but in your article you are using only 100 or 200. So only those references which you cite in your document will introduced in references. Other will not be the part of your document. Okay. So this is the proper use of bib file, and you will save with the name mybibfile.bib, or you can give any other name, but extension must be .bib. Only then this file will work in your document. So this is the bib file where you will maintain all your references for your book, for your article. Okay, if there is a proceeding, then you will use at this place proceed. Okay, so now come back. How these references will print in your document? For that purpose, you will come at this place. See here, we are using the style bibliography plain, and by using this statement, only by using this statement, slash bibliography my bib file. Okay, so this is the format which is provided by the Elsevier for Elsevier article. Okay, so in the same way we have to use this statement, and the other content you can manipulate according to your own. Okay, so when you will use this statement, then this bib file will be imported at this place and will be printed at this place. Now, one more thing which I should explain here. One is this one, and your file which you prepare or the references in bib file will be imported in your current file, or you in other words you can say the bib file will be attached with your TEX file by using this statement. Now you can easily cite your all the references which you need to insert in your document. See here, these are the code. How we can cite them. This is the code slash cite, and then between these you will use the codes you can see on the right hand side. This is the code of the reference. This is the code of the reference CHAG13A. You can see the same in the TEX file. Yes. So here is all these. Yes, you can see this code. This code is used to cite in your paper. Okay, you can see at this place also this is the code, or you can see the same in the TEX file. So here you can see this is the reference code which was we used for the label. This is the first reference which we want to cite at this place. You are using this one. Okay, you want to use. So these references we want to cite at this place. Okay, and all these code are used between this statement. And when you will build this file, okay, so I want to build this file. You can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 up to 9. Okay, these references, first 9 references are introduced in the document, and you will see that first, second, third, fourth, 5. When you will click on the 9, you can see this is the 9th. Okay, and the code for 9th is, you can see on the left hand side in the box, this is the corresponding code which is SUAMGO19. Okay, this is the last reference, and you can see the same at this place. If you will remove this reference, or some of the references you want to remove from this place, control I cut from this place. So now we have only these references. This is the first reference, comma, this is the second reference which I want to use at this place, comma, this is the third reference which I want to cite at this place. And when I will build this file, again you can see here now there are 1, 2, 3, only 3 references are there. Okay, and along with you will see that these number of references now 32. Once again I have to build this file so that the entire document will be updated. Yes. Okay, so now this file is now updated, and only those references introduced in your document which we cite at this place. Okay, but in the web file we have more references. If you will undo this file and now see, now we have make it undo. Yes, now build the file again. Again build the file, and now you can see that we have 1 2 3 4 up to 9 references are there, and at the bottom these are 32. Yes, so total references are 32. Now on the left hand side, which you can see here is just 1 minute. You can see this is the entire document, okay, which you prepared, and all the references are hyperlinked. When you will click at this place, okay, just to the top, yeah, you can see all the references which you cited at this place are hyperlinked and hyper references. When you will click on it, you will go to the first reference, and you can see that in the some references we are using DOI, and when you will click on it, this paper will open in the, if your internet is connected, then this paper will open in website. Okay, now the thing is, on the left hand side there the codes are printed. If you want to disappear all these, after preparing your document, you can remove all these. And how you can do this is very quite simple. Just you need to come here. Here is this statement, use package reference check. You will comment it, and now build the file. And now you will see that these references are not, these codes are disappear from the references. Okay, so in this way you can remove the same. Also you can see in this paper the equation numbers are section wise. Equation numbers are according to reference numbers. Okay, how these are managed, you can see. Come here. At this place we are using this statement. We are using this statement slash number within equation section. And when you will comment this statement, Control T. And now again build the file. And check the file. Now you see that the numbers will be continuous in the entire document. The numbers will be continuous. Okay, you can see in the entire document, yeah, 1 2 3 4 and so on. The numbers will be up to, there are so many equations, so the 55. Okay, and these numbers are also automatically updated in your document everywhere. Okay, you can see here by proof using equation 2.8 1.10, these not updated. So what you will do, you have to build the file again. 2 times we need to update the file. And when you will update this one, and you can see, yes, so now all the numbers in your entire document also has been updated. You can check at this place, yeah. Here you can see the equation numbers, yes. Here is equation number 21. 21 is updated at this place, and earlier it was in the float format. Yes, you can see here is 20, 10, 11, 12, 24, 25. So in the entire document, all the numbers, equation numbers has been updated. And again, when you will do uncomment and rebuild the file, and you will see that the equation numbers will be section wise. The numbers will be within the section. Here is 1.1, okay, and you can see everywhere this has been updated, okay, and also you can see proof by using 2.8, 1.10, 1.11, 1.12, and so on. So in the entire document, you can manipulate all these things once you prepare your document, but in the beginning, it will always take some time. Okay. So this is the importance of the entire document, how you can prepare. I will upload this file, and also some more statements are there which I should explain for you. This is the entire document. Then after we have author detail, and here is, yes, here you can see the line number, and reference. Okay, so by using all the equation numbers are highlighted. Okay, and if you are using here is if you are using left equation eqn, and see what happened. Okay, this is the fixed format, and I think this will not change. Left equation, just 1 minute. You have to check. Okay, and this one. If you have any question, please put in the chat box so that I can explain the same. I'm waiting. If you have any question, please put in the chat box. Dear participant, if you have any question regarding this presentation, please put in the chat box so that I can explain the same. Any more question, please? Okay, I think there is no more question. Okay, so at the end, I once again would like to say you that the recordings of each will be available on the YouTube channel, and also you can go to our certificate course which we have prepared at this place. Just you need to okay, MathTech Guru. This is the URL, and the recording of the session and the lectures are there. All the content which present in the session will be already uploaded at this place. Just you need to sign up this course, and this course will be lifetime free accessible. All type of problems which you will face or you are being faced are discussed and uploaded there. Small lectures are prepared so that you can cover all this content very easily. And the content which we share are very helpful for all of you. So dear participant, this is the all about today's session, and I hope that the content which we present here are really very helpful for all of you. If you have any question and you want to you want to contact us, you can easily contact. The WhatsApp number is given on the website of our foundation. So just you need to go there and put your queries there. Thank you very much to see this lecture till the end, and I hope that this lecture is very helpful for all of you.